Hi, it's Tim. I'm just going to show how you can use a combination and define however many combinations you want for dimensions. So in this case, I have a plate and a pipe. Could be anything, really. So here is just a very basic profile. And if I want to define the dimensions for the plate, I would simply select a plate in the dropdown. From this, we can see that I need thickness, long side, and short side. So if I start by going to thickness, I can pick the thickness. Then I can go to the long side, and then the short side. And we will evaluate that the dimension for this one is PLT 12250 times 125. So you can combine and define the plate dimension description however you like. So let's just close that one and try the other tube over here. And then that one, it would be a round tube, obviously. For a round tube, I want to have diameter and thickness and then the cut length. So the diameter is this one. Then I want to have the thickness. So that is the wall thickness. That's 4 millimeters. And I want to have the cut length, and that is this one. So I can pick on this guy. And when I accept the selection, I can go into my properties and I can see that these are all added in here. And I can see that my dimension description is called P65 times 4 in a length of 250. If I want to change these in any way, shape and form, I can go into my options, and for the model combination, for instance, for the tube, see if I can find that. It's the round tube. I can just double click this one and I can change that. This should be tube and diameter and thickness. And then I probably want to have my length as well defined. So I could insert L equals, and that would be it. So now if I go back and define the properties for this pipe, we should now see that the dimension is going to be updated. So now we have tube 65 times 4, length 250. And this is how we can pretty much define dimensions for anything using, in this case, 5 different dimensions. But in reality, if I take a look at what I really need, it's in this case only 4. 4 is the biggest number I'm going to need for this one. So I could have called these A, B, C, and D, and that would cover everything. So this is how you can use combinations and create unique dimension callouts or descriptions for whatever you have, just using 3, 4, maybe 5 different dimension schemes. I hope this inspires you to create the profile that you need. Thank you for watching.